Sometimes you just want something that feels real, more substantial, classic. Enter Cali Vinyl Legends, Cali's newest waterproof plank collection. Legends gives you thicker boards with a full half-inch for a sturdier feel that's more similar to hardwood than most vinyl flooring. That thickness allows the flooring to naturally fit under moldings, door casings, and jambs for simpler installations. Planks are also backed by acoustic padding for quieter, more comfortable rooms, and they measure 60 inches long by 9 inches wide, perfect for making homes feel more open and expansive. Not to mention some truly legendary color options and authentic hardwood grains and textures. Like all Cali Vinyl flooring, Legends is waterproof and easy to clean and install, no glue or nails required. Planks are scratch protected by a 20 mil wear layer, making them super pet and kid-friendly in any room. Legends flooring is also stabilized by a thick WPC core and backed by a 50-year residential warranty. See and feel the difference for yourself today by ordering up some free samples. Cali, taking flooring further.